To ensure smooth rotor exchange at all times, lightly grease the motor shaft with a small amount of support pin grease, applied with a cloth. Carefully lift the rotor into the centrifuge chamber, to avoid damage to the threads. Hold the rotor securely with the open-end wrench, and turn the Allen key counterclockwise, to the left, until the rotor settles by about 1 centimeter. When the rotor is fully seated, tighten the rotor clockwise using the open-end wrench. For rotors without comfort coating, the rotor pins must be greased with a small amount of pin grease. For rotors with black pins and comfort coating, greasing the pins is not necessary. When inserting the buckets, check that the buckets are numbered properly and are correctly positioned in the rotor. Each bucket has an assigned location. Sigma 8KS rotors are optionally available with a windshield. A rotor with a windshield has substantially lower energy consumption and allows higher RCF values. Loosen the rotor with the open-end wrench. Hold the rotor shaft securely with the open-end wrench and turn the Allen key clockwise, to the right, until the rotor rises by about 1 centimeter and is released. If the center screw is still tight, take the open-end wrench and turn it further counterclockwise, against the resistance, until the rotor comes loose from the rotor shaft. You can then remove the rotor.